The Lord's my shepherd, I'll not want. He makes me lie in pastures green. He leads me by the still, still waters. His goodness restores my soul.
He guides my way in righteousness, and He anoints my head with oil, and my cup it overflows with joy. I feast on His pure delight.
And though I walk the darkest path, I will not fear the evil one. For you are with me, and your rod and staff are comfort I need to know. And I will trust in you alone. Yes, I will trust in you alone. For your endless mercy